Rotating leg hold with an ending arabesque. Some basic positions you'll need to know. First position, raise your arms out in front of you, creating a circle like you were holding a beach ball. Make sure your hands and fingers are relaxed, then relax your arms down in front of you, stopping in front of your belly button. Your head should be slightly tilted upwards, like so. Second position, from first position, open your arms outwards and stop once your hands are in level with your waist. Hands should be palms in and fingers and arms relaxed. Head still slightly tilted upwards, as shown. Arabesque arms. From second position, raise your right arm up and forward in front of your body and your left arm back behind you at the same level as before. Your head and left arm should be in the same alignment. Try tilting your head upwards to look at your hand, as shown. For fifth position, place your feet parallel to each other, then turn them outwards to a comfortable position. Next, move your right foot forward and place your heel next to the side of your big toe, making sure that both feet are still turned outwards. Step 1. Start with your arms in first position and feet in fifth position. Step 2. Slowly raise and hold your right leg in front of your body as high as you can, and at the same time, raise your arms up to the second position. Make sure your leg is straight and foot is pointed. Your shoulders and arms should be relaxed and back should be straight. Still holding your right leg up, rotate your leg to the side of your body, making sure your hips are straight forward. Arms should move to the second position at the same time. Step 4. Rotate your leg behind you while lifting it as high as you can. Make sure your leg is still straight. At the same time, move your arms into first position arabesque. Seen here is how I do it from the front and from the side. In the ending position, you should end something like this, which is called an arabesque.